Predicting the question here, it is fairly obvious that this is testing vocab, right? It's not about which choice is shorter. They're all just one word. It's also clearly that words that kind of mean the same thing. Some of them you might be familiar with, others maybe not. But regardless, we want to trust our instincts. That's not how you spell your instincts. And we want to just say, okay, well, what would we say in this case, right? All the words kind of mean the same thing. One of them hopefully is going to fit better just in our ear than the others. And so what would you say here? Tweed escaped from jail and fled to Spain and unwittingly brought about one final triumph for the power of political cartoons. A Spanish police officer recognized Tweed from one of Nass' cartoons, and so they arrested him because they had seen him in a cartoon. It's a good thing that the cartoon did. Yeah, that's the answer. I mean, that's the word triumph. We know that word. Maybe we don't use it super often, but it's a common enough word that you've heard people use it. You know when it's supposed to be used. Apex, culmination, pinnacle, they have similar meanings to triumph, right? Like a peak, but they're just weird in this situation. They don't fit. A pinnacle is much more like a mountain, like a pinnacle, like a spire, something that like literally is higher. But we're not really talking about like height, either physically or metaphorically. It's just a weird word to use. Triumph is the one that fits. Trust those instincts. You won't need to spend a ton of time proving these things. You can pick the best one and move on and use your time for the other stuff that you do need to prove, ideas and grammar questions. That's where there's more likely to be a trap and a puzzle to solve, and the time is better spent there.